Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nakho, and if you're new to this channel, you're very much welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and be part of this beautiful family. And if you're my returning subby, you my day one, you already know what time it is, so please say it with me, baby. Thank you so much and welcome back, my loves. We are back with another video. We are reviewing this stunning deep wave unit. It's a 13 by 4. It's a 16 inches. It's a deep wave, and I am absolutely in love with it. Absolutely in love with it. As you can see, guys, it suits me well. What? MSCOCOhair were kind enough to send me this unit. This unit is from MSCOCOhair. They have a variety of units, but you guys already know. I will plug you. I will leave everything on the description box, just in case you're looking for maybe a longer curl or even shorter, because this is a 16 inch and honey, it is long. Like, it is long. Okay. So yeah, I'll leave everything on the description box so that you guys can go on their site and just look for anything that is suitable for you. And also in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig, the bowl cap method, that is which is my fave. And yeah, also flaunting this stunning unit, and also show you guys how I worked with it in terms of plucking and also reviving the curls. Not that they needed any reviving, but because I am who I am and y'all. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Hey guys, we are working with MSCOCOhair. That is me just showing you guys the packaging, which is absolutely beautiful. This is a 16 inch deep wave, and it's a 13 by 4, and that is the kitty hair. Look at how stunning that curl pattern looks. So I'm pretty much just showing you guys how the wig looks inside. It's a 13 by 4. It has 3 combs inside and an elastic band, just to make sure your wig is properly secured. But other than that, I think this unit is exactly what you need. It's not plugged too much, but you guys already know we're gonna plug it. So we have a wig cap, and also we have a bonnet. We also have the clippers so the hair doesn't get in the way, and a cute comb, and a hairband, and a comb or edge brush, and some beautiful lashes. Now that is me just showing you guys how I pluck my hair. Like I said, I'll go back in and make sure I pluck this hair even more. That is me just plucking. I don't work in one section. I move very quickly, but also make sure you do not pluck in one place, because you don't want to have a bold lace. That is the frontal looking plugged and looking very nice, much stunning. Sorry about that. That is me just coming out the plucking, or the hair that I plucked out, and that is my water and conditioner, and I'm just spraying it all over this beautiful unit. And as you can see, guys, the curls are just amazing. Look at that. I haven't put any product. It's just water and conditioner, and it already looks amazing. I'm going in with my mousse from Auntie Jackie, just to make sure those curls hold. And I'm just squashing it in, brushing it in, just spreading it out to the hair. And now that is my Strictly Curls product. It's a beautiful product, so that your hair is not frizzy and your curls are not dry. And yeah, it's a curl definer as well. Now I'm using my brush, which I got from Shein, and I'm just brushing those curls. But either way, as much as I'm brushing those curls, they are not disappearing. That's how the wig looks right now. I'm just going to install it, and I'm putting on my wig cap, which came with my package, and I am going in with my Got To Be spray. We are doing the bowl cap method. I usually do this method when I want to have this wig for a while, or have my wig for a while. That is cool air on my hair dryer, and now I'm just using my scissors
And I also bought an eraser which is more safe to cut my lace. And yeah, that is me just cutting the excessive lace that I don't need. And I'm using my foundation, Maybelline in shade Nutmeg, just to match my bold cap with my skin. And I'm using my Ghost Bond glue, which is almost finished, but I managed to make it work. And I'm just putting it right on the edge of my wig cap, and I'm spreading it evenly. Make sure it's drying clear so that I can be able to put on the wig. And I already applied the foundation on my lace because I did not bleach my knots. So that is me just applying the wig and making sure Uguti is secured. And I'm using my comb just to press it down on the glue so that it can stick and lay properly. I'm also going to go in with my hair dryer because hair dryer plays a huge role in making sure that your wig is properly secured. Also, do go back in with your comb and press down as you are working with your hair dryer. It makes all the difference. As you can see, that corner, I think it has dried already, so I am applying some glue in there and wait for your glue to dry clear, and then press your lace down and go back in with your hair dryer. So that is what I pretty much did on both sides. As you can see, I'm also working on that side and making sure that lace is sticking on that glue. And now I'm sectioning or cutting in sections as I'm going to cut off the excessive lace. And I worked a bit in because the lace was a bit too much for my forehead. I wanted a bit of my forehead showing because I wanted to give this wig a more natural hairline, which really frames my face, or rather the hairline that I already have. So now I'm sectioning it and cutting off some edges. You guys know I love me some edges in that very section, and I'm using my mousse to define my edges. And yeah, also using a brush, a edge control brush while at it. Also, I decided to do something way different, which is create some edges right there, which is something I don't usually do when I'm wearing my wigs, but why not? And yeah, I'm just going to do the very same thing there. Just apply my mousse and lay that edge right there. Also, yeah, we're gonna see how it's gonna look. And now I'm using my elastic band to put my lace down and melt it, going in with my hot comb just to press and give it a sleek front, because yeah, as much as it's a curly wig, I do prefer it sleek on the front. And that is me. I am done. I think this hair looks amazing, and yeah, my edges are giving as well. The makeup is complementing this hair, but please, let's appreciate the curl pattern here. As much as I did all that work, it did not move. I did not lose the curls, and I am absolutely in love with this hair. And as you can see, I'm just gonna try and shoot on a closer lens, and there we go. It's looking amazing. It's looking good. The frontal looks perfect, and it matches my scalp. It blends well with my skin, and I am absolutely in love. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.